Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are fine. So in today's video I'm going to be making some delicious egusi soup. This egusi soup is very easy to put together but so delicious. I'm going to be using fish for this egusi soup, and I'll be listing everything that I use for this recipe in the description box below. You can check it out if you want to make this recipe. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Please hit that subscribe button and remember to set the notification bell icon to all. That will always notify you anytime I upload a new video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I'm going to be using some scotch bonnet pepper, some dawa, some seasoning cubes, onions, and salt to taste. I'll be using some palm oil. So now to start, I'm going to cook my stockfish for about 10 minutes. I've soaked my stockfish before, but I'm just going to cook it a little bit. So now I'll be toasting the egusi. I like toasting my egusi when I'm making this kind of egusi soup. It just adds more taste and aroma to the soup. So now I'm going to go ahead and blend the egusi. So in my pot, I'm going to be adding some palm oil, but I'm not going to be bleaching this oil. I just want to heat the oil. Then I will add some salt. Then I will add the onions and the scotch bonnet that I blend together. I'm going to cook it for about 7 minutes. And please just stir it continuously because you don't want it to get burnt at the bottom. So now I'm going to be adding the dawa and crayfish that I blend together. I'll be adding some seasoning. Then I'm going to stir everything together because I don't want it to get burnt. And when you are doing this process, you don't want your heat to be too high. Just leave it in a medium heat and stir it continuously. Then I will leave it to cook for about 5 minutes. So then I will be adding the egusi. I just blend my egusi with some onions together. Then I'll be adding everything. I'll continue stirring it because egusi get burnt easily. So that is why you need to stir it continuously because you don't want your egusi to get burnt at the bottom. I will stir it, then I will leave it to cook for about 7 minutes with a medium heat. I'm going to be adding some stock from the stockfish that I cooked before. Now I'll be adding the stockfish. I'm going to be adding the stockfish at first because the stockfish, I just want to cook the stockfish a little bit before I will add the other fish. I'm going to cover it. I will allow it to cook for about 6 minutes. So now as you can see, I've been cooking the stockfish. Now I'm just going to stir everything together. So it's time for me to add the other fishes. I'm just going to make sure I stir the soup gently because I don't want the fish to break up inside the soup. So you need to stir it gently. I'll be adding a little water to it, then I'll cover it. I will allow it to cook. So guys, our soup is ready. This soup is easy to put together, so delicious. You can give it a try and let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched to this moment, I really appreciate. If you have not yet subscribed, please, before you go out of my channel, just hit that subscribe button and set the notification bell icon to all. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. You can use this soup to eat pounded yam, eba, fufu, anything you think of, you can use it to eat it. So guys, I love you all guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video with another delicious recipe. Bye bye. Ciao.